On Android and want your photos in the perfect order? In this quick video, I'll show you a simple way to rearrange pictures in your gallery app. First, unlock your phone and open the gallery app from your home screen or apps list. Now, choose the album where you want to rearrange photos, like camera, downloads, or any custom album you've created. Tap that album to open it. You should now see your photos in a grid layout. Before moving anything, check the sort option at the top, often called sort, arrange, or a three-dot menu. Make sure it's set to a mode that allows manual rearranging, like custom order or user-defined, if available on your device. With the album open, tap and hold on the first photo you want to move until it slightly lifts or gets a check highlight. Now, drag that photo to a new position in the grid. Slide it left, right, up, or down until it's exactly where you want it. Release your finger to drop the photo in place. You'll see the other images adjust around it. Repeat the same tap, hold, drag gesture for any other photos you want to reorder, building the exact sequence you like. When you're done, your album will stay in this custom order the next time you open it, as long as custom order remains selected. That's it. You've rearranged your photos in the Android gallery with a simple drag and drop. Like and subscribe for more quick Android tips.